Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a QR code using Canva. Creating a QR code in Canva is a straightforward process, enhancing your designs and connecting your audience to online content. Whether for a business card, marketing flyer, or digital presentation, a QR code offers a quick way for people to access websites, social media, or other digital resources. Let's dive into. To begin, open any design in Canva where you wish to add a QR code. Look to the left side of your screen for the main toolbar. You'll need to scroll down a bit until you find the Apps section. Click on Apps to reveal a variety of integrations and tools. In the search bar that appears, simply type QR code and press Enter. This will quickly bring up the dedicated QR code generator tool, ready for you to use. After rolling, you resolve your dice symbols. Each claw deals 1 damage to your opponent, while each heart heals 1 of your own life points, up to your starting health. Lightning bolts grant you 1 energy cube each. If you roll 3 matching fame or destruction symbols, you move that marker 1 space towards you, with additional symbols moving it further. Exclamation points activate your monster's unique special power. Finally, you can spend energy cubes to buy power cards from the market, or simply gain 1 energy cube if you prefer. After your QR code appears, you can easily resize it and drag it to any position on your design. Ensure enough clear space surrounds the code for optimal scanning. While Canva's QR codes are typically black and white, adjust your design's background for good contrast. Once satisfied with its placement, download your entire design. Choose a high-quality format like PNG for digital use or PDF for print, ensuring your QR code remains crisp and scannable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.